Morning, children. So we are continuing our lesson. Unit 2, video 2. It will be flying together. I had explained you this lesson. સમજાયું તો ને ટીલુમિનસ ગમ્યો તો ને હવે જો we will do further. Page 31. અહીંયાથી everybody open your books. Because geese are not listening to the wise old geese. સાંભળતા નથી એનું. Now see what will happen. See, so the hunter climbed this one here on this. Creeper હતું, whale હતી, whale, and it became very thick. And that wise goose had told કે you remove it. પણ કોઈએ સાંભળ્યું નહીં. વડીલોનું મોટાઓનું ના સાંભળીએ તો આવું થાય. જો શું થાય છે હવે. See. So that the hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. This creeper has become very thick. So he held the creeper and climbed up. ઉપર ચડી ગયો ટ્રીમાં, huh? And spread his net there. And he put his net. Then he climbed down and went away. Okay? He put his net. And જાળી નાખે. He want to catch all this. See? જો બધા પકડાશે આમાં. Then in the evening, the geese returned home. In the evening, all of them came back. They did not notice the net. Nobody saw the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. As soon as they went in the tree, they were trapped. બધા પકડાઈ ગયા. They struggled hard to get out. They wanted to get out, but could not. Help, help, cried the geese. Now they are shouting, help, help. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? What shall we do? હવે શું કરશું? See, they are all shouting. દેખાય છે? Yeah? Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. The wise old bird જે હતી કે now don't make fuss. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper. I had told you કે આ creeper ને કાઢો. You did not. But you did not. Now see what has happened. Now જો હવે શું થયું. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. Tomorrow morning the hunter, શિકારી પાછો આવશે. He will kill us all. We were foolish, wept the birds. Now the birds are crying. પેલે સાંભળે નહીં ને પછી રડે. Yeah, they are crying. We are very sorry. We did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Sorry, sorry, we did not listen. Sorry, keche, okay? Then listen now, keche. Carefully listen, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. When the hunter comes, hunter આવે, that time all of you fall as if you are dead. મરી ગયા હો એવી રીતે સુઈ જવાનું. Just like still. હલતા નહીં. The hunter will not want dead birds. Hunter don't want the dead birds. અને મરેલી birds ને શું કરે? Yeah, he will throw us to the ground. He will throw us. It will then be easy for him to climb down. He will throw us, then he will come down. Collect the dead birds and take them home. Okay, he will throw the birds down, then he will come down and collect all the birds. When the last of us has been thrown down, છેલ્લું bird નીચે ફેંકી દે, we must quickly get up and fly away. બધા ભેગા થઈને fly કરશું. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. He looked at the geese. કેવી છે બધી? See, they are all dead. He muttered to himself. He બબડે છે. Oh, all are dead. He threw them out of the net one by one. Net માંથી કાઢીને one by one he is throwing them. The birds lay still. ચૂપચાપ પડ્યા રહ્યા birds as if they are dead. And until the last one had been thrown down. Then the hunter threw the last bird. છેલ્લી bird ને ફેંકી છે. Then all at once they got up. All at once they stood up and flapped their wings. Wings હલાવે છે. And flew away અને ઉડી ગયા. The hunter was taken by surprise. Oh, from the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. And જોયું કે બધી geese ઉડી ગઈ. How? Because they now listened to the wise bird. એને સાંભળ્યું બર્ડનું. ઓકે, કે લાઈ ડાઉન એઝ ઇફ યુ આર ડેડ, એટલે મોટાનું સાંભળવાનું. મમ્મી ડેડીનું, દાદા દાદી બધા આપણાથી મોટા હોય તો એવરીબડી હેઝ ટુ લિસન ટુ ધેમ. નહીં તો આવું થાય. યા ચલો children, bye everybody. I'm going to give you this, you have to learn, write and learn. Okay, listen. And I'm sending you the PDF also, that you will copy down in this book only and start learning. Very soon most I'll be taking your test. Okay, bye everybody.